Para tiyakin na yung aming ginagawa na fuel subsidy ay maayos kasi mag-start tayo today. Pero hindi lamang dito sa Metro Manila, pero all the country na ito. So, making sure na yung sistema ay maging maayos. So, we are now providing 10,000 subsidy for each bus unit. Tapos yung method of payment, lahat ng klaseng method of payment pwede. We can do it via digital payment or e-cash. We can do it through the ATM. May mga card naman na may hawak naman, may card naman yung mga driver natin, lahat ng operator nag-issue ng card. Pwedeng gamitin yun. Meron pa rin iilan na talagang gusto nila, ayaw nila gawin digital. Kaya meron pa pwede rin, pwede mag-issue ng check at kung talagang kahit cash, pwede pa rin. Pero siguro, mas maginhawa, it's easier, it's more practical, as much as possible ang gagawin natin ay digital payment. So, we are, tulungan nyo naman kami para yung mga ating riding public ay hindi masyadong mahirapan at hindi sila masyadong mabigatan sa pamasahe dahil na alam naman natin kung ano yung pangyayari nagbabago yung presyo ng langis all over the world. Kaya ito ang response ng pamahalaan. And of course, we are always in need of assistance and support and cooperation with the operators, with the drivers in the buong sistema. So this is what we are doing here now. Seeing we are having the briefing now from the OTR, tinignan namin ang mga facilities so far, paano maayos. So let's just keep the system going. Tignan natin how it works. Kung merong maging problema o kung merong sa palagay ninyo maging mas magandang sistema or to make it easier or make it faster, make it more convenient for you, for the riding public, sabihan mo kami. And kung palagay namin ay kaya namin gawin para pagandahin pa ang sistema dahil ang gusto natin is very as convenient as possible, as easy as possible, as quick and mabilis as possible. Dahil araw-araw nagpapago, kaya kailangan makapag-respond din kami. So, with the cooperation at yung malakasalo ko sabihin na pagkabasa na tayo, yung private sector at saka kayong mga operator at saka kami sa government, sana maging hindi na wala yung pakiramdam na ating riding public, yun ang ating mga siniservisyohan. Matiyak natin na maging maayos ang kanilang pagbiyahe. So, thank you all for being part of the solution at patuloy natin gagawin ito hanggat kailangan. Maraming salamat. Good morning sa inyo.